A special set of case issues accompanies the words who and whom and whoever and whomever. And as I tell my students often, these are not words you necessarily have to utter in conversation with your friends, but you should be able to differentiate when you use one or the other of the pair. This is especially true because we try to avoid using that to refer to people. I think people have started to do that, so they don't have to make this distinction. But if we want to avoid that and actually use who or whom, we need to know when to use them. This is actually pretty easy because who and whoever are nominative case, and who and whomever are objective case. And I encourage people to remember that by the M's, so whom goes with him and them and so on. And all you really have to do is substitute a different pronoun, one of the personal pronouns that ends with am or doesn't, to decide whether to use who or whom. So, who or whom did you see? Well, you did see him, so it's going to be whom did you see? The woman who or whom taught us, the women who or whom taught us, it's she or they taught us. So this is nominative, so it's the woman who taught us. Sorry, I had a problem with woman and women. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. The whoever and the whomever are still confusing, and this is actually a pronoun error that excellent writers make. And the reason they do that is that they forget that you have to figure out how the whoever or whomever works in the clause, not necessarily whether it follows a preposition, as in this case. So, please mail the report to whoever or whomever requested it. Well, we know that we use objective case for something that's the object of the preposition, so our inclination may be to say that the correct pronoun here is whomever. But in fact, if you look at the clause as whoever or whomever requested it, and whoever is the subject of the clause. So whoever is the correct choice here, whoever requested it, and this whole clause is a noun clause, and the noun clause is the object of the preposition, not the pronoun here. So please mail the report to whoever requested it. Now if you had a different clause here, you could use objective case. Please mail the report to whomever Bill directs. Bill directs them, and so it would be whomever.